Let us now understand the pattern component command in the Siemens NX assembly interface. So we want this part on the other side. I will use pattern component. The count will be 2. I know this distance is 150 mm and the groove is about 10 mm. So 150 minus 10 mm, we would keep it as 140 mm, and this would be the component which we are going to pattern. We have to specify the vector or the direction where the pattern needs to be created. So this x-axis is the direction where I want it. I will click on X, and as you can see, the component is added on the other side. Click OK to exit. As you can see, the simple assembly of a bench has been created.